our most respectful parents and little ones. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your stay at home and taking all safety measures to fight COVID-19. Alhamdulillah, I am fine too. I warmly welcome all the little ones into our English learning session. I am your English teacher. My name is Rabia Ayub. Let's see, little ones, what we will be learning today. We will be doing reinforcement of recognition of small letters sound L and reading. We will be doing revision of what we have done last week. Let's see what we will do in our revision work. We are on our page number 30 of Junior Montessori book level 1. And the heading says enrich your vocabulary. I'm sure you must have done the tracing of letter L. I taught you this last week. Tracing of small letter sound L. Tracing of small letter sound L. So let's start revising. Ladder, lamb, lemon, log, leaf, lion. Okay, little ones, now let's have a look at these vocabularies individually. Ladder, ladder. This is a ladder. We use ladder to climb. Lamb, lamb. This is a lamp and we light up the lamp at night time. Lemon, lemon. Log, log. Log is a piece of wood. Leaf, leaf. We are studying about leaf in general knowledge as well. Lion, lion. Lion is a wild animal and it lives in the jungle. Okay, little ones, let's revise again. Now coming to our reading page, page number 30 of Junior Montessori book level 1. Let's enrich our vocabulary. Ladder, lamp, lemon, log, leaf, Okay, dear little ones, now we are going to play a game. And what game are we going to play? We will play vocabulary test game. You know what is vocabulary test game? We are learning so much of vocabulary. So we are going to test ourselves as to how much vocabulary we have learned. Okay, so shall we start the game? Let's start. I'm going to show you the pictures and you are going to tell the names of these pictures, and then you will see, you're going to judge yourself as to how many answers you got correct. Okay, little ones, shall we start? What picture can you see on the screen? Can you guess? Yes, it is ladder. Ladder. Wow, you got your answer right. Now what do you see on the screen? Which picture can you see now? Yes, it is a lamp. Lamp. Wow, you got it right. Now, my little ones, what do you see on the screen? Which picture can you see now? Yes, lion. Lion. Okay, what do you see now? Log. That's right. It is a log. Log. Wow, we got all our vocabularies correct. Let's go further. Can you guess which picture is this? What is the name of this picture? Yes, it is a lemon. Lemon. Very juicy lemon and very appealing color, yellow color. Okay, little ones, what do you see now on the screen? It is a leaf. We are studying about leaves in general knowledge. In the plant kingdom, we are studying a lot of names about leaves. That's right. It is a leaf. Leaf. Okay, little ones. Now we are going to move into the second stage of our vocabulary test game. Let's see how we are going to play this game. Here I'm going to show you pictures one by one and you will tell the names, and then towards the end you will see if you got all the 6 vocabularies correct, then you are going to win this game. Okay, so let's start. What is this? Yes, it's a ladder. That's right. Now, little ones, what is the second image? This one, it is a lemon. Correct. You got it right. It is a lemon. Now what do you see on the screen, little ones? Yes, it's a leaf. And we are studying so much about leaf in general knowledge science, plant kingdom, right? Leaf. This is a leaf. Now let's go ahead. What do you see now? Yes, log. Log. This is a log. Okay, what can you see now? Yes, lion. Lion. This is a lion. Okay, little ones. Now what do you see on the screen? Which new picture I have added on the screen? Lamb. Lamb. That's right. Wow, you have learned 6 new vocabularies. You have won the game. You are a winner. Congratulations. Now, little ones, let's do some writing work. Let's see what we have in the writing task for you this week. Okay, little ones, we are on our writing page number 33 of Junior Montessori book level 1. Okay, you can see day and date is mentioned over here. So you're going to write day and date and classwork. So this is your classwork. You will be tracing the letter L. You're going to do more practice of tracing the letter L sound. L. Okay, you're going to trace it. Start from up, start tracing a little curve, straight line and a little curve. Okay, now start tracing straight line and curve, straight line and curve. This is how you're going to trace the letter L for classwork task. Now, I have some homework for you as well, little ones. Let's see what we are going to do in homework. We are on page number 34 of our Junior Montessori book level 1. And yes, we are going to practice more tracing of letter sound L. Okay, little ones, you see day is mentioned and date is mentioned. You're going to put day here, date over here, and homework. This is your homework, and you're going to trace L in the same manner, straight line, curve, straight line, curve, straight line, curve, and make sure you touch the line so that your tracing does not come out of the line. Straight line, curve, straight line, curve. Okay, little ones, in this manner you're going to trace the letter sound L on this page as homework task. Respected parents, discussion time for this video lesson is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you very much. Okay, little ones, now it's time for me to fly away. We are going to meet next week now. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Stay home, stay safe, and stay blessed.